cardiac cycle has a lot to do with how blood flows through the heart and lungs. Before watching this video, I'd recommend watching my heart structure video, which goes over how blood travels through the heart. This video is going to focus more on the lungs. Blood travels through the body in a circle, but it also has a separate circulation through the lungs, except in the lungs it looks more like a web than a circle. As you know by watching the heart structure video, deoxygenated blood pumps into the heart through the inferior and superior vena cavas. Veins have a lower blood pressure than the arteries, which is actually going to come in handy here. The vena cavas pump into the right atrium and flow into the right ventricle after that. Luckily, the blood isn't super pressurized yet because it's about to travel into the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery is a direct connection from the heart to the lungs. This allows the deoxygenated blood that just came into the right atrium to be oxygenated by the lungs. But the issue is that the pulmonary artery splits very quickly into a bunch of capillaries in the lungs. Remember, capillaries are only one cell thick and a great way to exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen. However, due to their extremely thin walls, they can't handle a ton of pressure. They would burst. This is why it's beneficial that the blood is at a low pressure when it's coming in from the heart. After picking up oxygen in the capillaries of the lungs, the blood flows back into the heart through the pulmonary veins. This goes back into the left atrium, and then the blood is able to withhold more pressure as it goes into the aorta from the left ventricle. In conclusion, there are technically two circulations going on in the body. The first is through the entire body and is the process of delivering oxygen to cells and picking up waste products. The second goes into the lungs, which are accessed when blood is pushed into the heart from the veins. Once blood is oxygenated by the capillaries in the lungs, it's free to flow back into the arteries and throughout the body once again.